Hi, my lovelies. How are you today? I'm doing all right. It is 10:10 at night. Oh my God, look how dirty my screen is. Let me wipe that off. It is, this is still dirty. Well, it is 10:11 at night that I'm making this video. So I hope I can get this video out by 11 o'clock tonight. You guys know I've been very busy with family things. So the only time I can really record is at nighttime. So that's why lately these videos have been going up late at night. So I do apologize for that. But I did a poll on my community tag. Which did you want to see first? Did you want to see my ColourPop haul, or did you want to see my Try Beauty box? And let me look while I am talking to you. So in this video, there of course will be, this is going to be day 7 of the 12 days of giveaway. So 44% wanted the Try Beauty box and 56% wanted the ColourPop, and there was 388 votes at the time that I'm looking at this. So ColourPop wins. So ColourPop had like a little sale of their little eyeshadows with the palette. You could have got the small one with the palette, so it would have been 12 eyeshadows, which was $30. Or you could have got the bigger one, and I forget how many. I think there was maybe like 24. I don't remember, but that was sold out. So I got the 12 eyeshadows. Now, I didn't get any mattes except for one because I really love that color. The rest I either got duochrome or shimmers because I have a lot of ColourPop palettes and I have a lot of their mattes. So I do like their duochromes and their shimmers. So I just wanted a whole palette of that. So when I don't know what to put on my lids, I can kind of like pull out that palette, you know? But before we start this, I want to explain just in case you're new. So I am having a 12 days of giveaway. So every day for 12 days will be a giveaway. I am a day behind, but I will eventually get caught up. And there is a Gleam. I'm going through Gleam, so make sure you check the description box. And every day will be a different Gleam account because I'm doing different giveaways. And you can enter every single giveaway if you like. If you only want to enter a couple, that is fine. So, and it is definitely Open Up International. I am getting questioned about that. Every giveaway I have is always Open Up International. So let's open up the ColourPop, and then I'll show you what will be in the giveaway when I'm done. So I did open this. This is what it came. I wanted to make sure all of the eyeshadows were in there, and they are, but I haven't took them out of the package, and we're going to swatch them together. If you hear this noise or see a little nose, it's Nala right here being nosy, per usual. Okay, let me take these out. So I think I told you, yeah, there was 12 eyeshadows. And it came with this little palette, which the palette was free. And, geez, okay. I also got an eyebrow pencil because I've never tried their eyebrow pencil. And they were having a sale with that you could get a free lipstick. There was a choice of 3 of a lip gloss. And I picked out the Shayla and ColourPop. And what is this one? It's an ultra glossy lip. What shade is this? I can't see. But that's what it looks like right there. It's really pretty. Okay, but I did look at this, and I think this is going to be too light. This is in the shade Cool Cocoa, and I did kind of open it up a little bit, and it looks really light for me. So I might be giving this away. I don't want to swatch it. My eyebrows are very dark, so I don't know. I like the NYX eyebrow pencil in the shade Charcoal. So it's like a cool black. It's like a grayish black color. All right, so let's see what this palette looks like. Okay, so there we go. And oh, that's pretty. Okay, so it's like this. I am cool. Yes, you are. And oh, I almost forgot because it's late at night. Please like this video because it really does help me out. All right, so the first one I'm going to show you, I got Glass Bull. I've never tried Glass Bull, but I've heard everybody talks about how they love this color. So I'm gonna make sure so that is what it looks like. So let's take it out. And I'm gonna show you and do a little swatch. Okay. All right, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. Let's see me. So there we go. You guys can see. Oh, that's light. Let me swatch it again. So this is like a purplish, and it has like some brown in it. I was thinking this would be like darker than what it is, but it is pretty. All right, so we'll put that in there like that. I hope all 12 can fit in here. All right, so the next shade we got is Sideline. This looked pretty too. I think this was the Duochrome. Oh, I dropped it. Okay. So that, oh, what was that? That fell. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It's very pretty. Oh, that is pretty. That's pretty. Let me swatch it again so that you can see it. That is really, really pretty. I like that. It's like an olivey color. All right, the next one is in the shade Something. Okay. I'm just dropping stuff right on the floor. All right, this is like a copper color. Right there. That's pretty too. Okay, let's swatch it. Right there. Oh yeah, that's like a copper color right there. Very pretty. All right, the next shade is called Come and Get It. Yeah, baby. Okay. So this is like a, looks like a, I don't know, like a light purplish bronzy color. Let's see. Oh, that's really buttery. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, that's like a peachy pinky color, I guess. Right there. Pretty. Okay. The next color we got is called Fault Line. So that's pretty. That's right there. Just throwing everything on the floor. All right. Oh, this is beautiful. This is so pretty. That is gorgeous. That's pretty. Right there. Yeah, that is really gorgeous. It's got that purple shimmer. Love it. Okay. The next shade we got is called, I think this says Heavy Glam, right there. Some of these look different, you know, like online when I picked them out. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty too. It's like a peachy orange color. There. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Okay, so that is right there. All right, halfway done, guys. This is going to be a longer video. All right, so this is in the shade Snake Eyes. That one looks pretty too. Let me know if you have tried ColourPop eyeshadow before. I really like it for the price. It's really, really pretty. Oh, that's gorgeous right there. Put that right there. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's one of my favorite colors so far. That is so pretty. Okay, let's get this out of the way. All right, this is shade Night Snow. I don't edit my videos. If I did, I would edit all this like stuff out right here. Oh, I almost dropped it. That's pretty too. It's like a yellowish color. Yellowish gold. Right there. Oh, that's pretty too, right there. Let me do another swatch. That is really, really pretty. Okay, so we have 4 left. That's what it's looking like so far. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. This is in the shade Tiny, I don't know what that says. Tiny Tangerines, I think it says. Okay, this is gorgeous. Oh my God, that's like a teal color. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh my God, that might be my favorite one right there. Okay, and then we have, this is like a darker green. This is, what is this? Would you be? Slayfarer, I think it says. God, I don't know. Where are my glasses? It would help if I put my glasses on. This is horrible. Like I said, it's after 10 o'clock at night. This is Slayfarer. Okay. So that's what it looks like. So pretty. Right there. It's almost about the same color on my pinky. I'll put it next to it. Yeah, it's just about the same color. It's just like a darker green right there. So like I could always put that down and then put the lighter color on top or in the middle. That's pretty. All right. Then we have Tea Garden. I heard a lot about this color too. I have been putting the sales in my community tab that I find, and I will continue to do that. Because when I watch people like do it and they do stuff and they show videos of, that's pretty too, of like the sales they find, but then you go do it and the sales are over and it's like, you know, it's too late. So that's pretty. So I definitely will start putting them in my community tag. Now, this is Paper Tiger. I don't think this one is a shimmer. This is a matte. This is the only matte I got because I heard a lot of people talk about this. Right there. So, let's see. Oh, that's pretty. That is so pretty. That is like a yellowish orange kind of color right there. That'll be a good transition shade. All right, so let me show you what it looks like. I can't believe most of this is like green colors. You can tell I'm into greens. So that's what the palette looks like. So they're all like duochrome and shimmer. So for 30 bucks, you got 12 eyeshadows and you got the palette. So you can't beat that. So if you're still here, let's do the giveaway. So there was a reason why I did the ColourPop haul because I have 2 ColourPop palettes. I talked about ColourPop before and a lot of people said they haven't tried ColourPop. So I'm like, you know what? These are 2 palettes that are in Ulta. So you cannot get them on the ColourPop site and they are new. They're only like 2 weeks old. So I don't even have these for myself. So this is called Bendezes. I don't know how you pronounce this, right there. And I believe these are $16 a piece. Okay. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like really quickly. I don't want to touch anything. So it doesn't have a mirror, but this palette is gorgeous. This reminds me if Manny MUA has a new palette coming out. It's like the Greek Goddess collection or something like that. This kind of almost looks like his palette. All right, so we have this. And then we have this one called Sweet No Things. This is really pretty too. Let me show you. So that's what the packaging looks like. Very pretty. Want to touch it. This is more like purple tones. So pretty. So this is day 7's giveaway. So you will get both of these palettes. So I wanted you guys to try ColourPop. So the only thing you guys have to do is go through Gleam to make sure that you're subscribed. It will be in the description box. You have to make sure you like this video and you have to comment, have you ever tried ColourPop? And if you have, what do you think of ColourPop? So comment down below something about ColourPop. That way it doesn't give anything away in the comments since it is a ColourPop haul. And that's everything, guys. That's it. And so I'm going to do another video and then take this makeup off and go to bed. I'm so tired. All right, guys, I love you. And as always, I will leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.